Hi, nursing students. My name is Lauren DePaul Barlow, and I am a career counselor in the Office of Career Design and Development. I am also the primary counselor for students studying nursing, and I am here today to talk to you a little bit about how to write a nursing resume. So let us get started. Move my little picture. So in this presentation, I'm going to go over some general resume goals, and then we're going to go through the resume kind of section by section, explaining how to design content for each section and how to explain your experiences in each section. You are more than welcome to kind of pull up a blank Word document and go through each of the sections with me. This video will stop after each section, but you're welcome to pause at any time. Put your own content into your Word document and just kind of work through the resume as we go through it in the presentation. So when we finish here today, you'll have a nice solid first draft of your resume. Um, and this will be a video series. I'm not sure how many I make. It's probably about 5 or 6 sections. So I try to chunk it so we're not sitting here together for an extended period of time. You can watch this as you see fit. All right, so let's jump in. So these are just some general resume rules that I would tell to any student, no matter what they're studying or what level in their education that they're in. So first of all, the resume is a marketing tool, and it is designed for a specific employer. So you want to keep the employer that you're planning to give that resume to in mind while you're writing the resume. I kind of like to use this analogy of a suitcase. So if it is February and you're going to Hawaii on a vacation, right? You're going to pack certain things in your suitcase. Now imagine for some reason it's also February and you've decided you want to go to Alaska on vacation for some reason. You're going to pack different things in that suitcase. So imagine your vacation locations are different employers, and then your resume is the suitcase. You have to decide what to pack that would be most appropriate for that employer. I basically said that. Typically on the resume, 15 years is the cutoff. So if you've had experience that's older than 15 years, it would have to essentially earn its spot on the resume. You want to have your resume will be a representation of your most recent and relevant experience. Typically, things that happened in excess of 15 years ago might no longer be relevant just because technology and processes, procedures advance so quickly nowadays. And also, too, you've most likely had more advanced experience in the 15 years since your experience that was 15 years ago that would suit you better to highlight on your resume. The resume should be easily scannable. In the next slide, I kind of have a zoomed out picture of a resume that will show you what an easily scannable resume would look like. There's no need to use I, me, or my on the resume. The resume is written in the assumptive first person, so you don't need to use these pronouns. The resume should be 1 or 2 pages maximum. Don't use a template. So like I said, you should pull up a blank Word document and just start working with it from there, moving margins and setting tabs. A lot of resume templates are overly styled, which is, first of all, unnecessary in nursing, but second of all, applicant tracking systems don't really like overly styled resumes, and they're distracted by the style, and so they skip a lot of content, which is the point of your resume, is to make sure that the applicant tracking system reads all the content for the words it's looking for. For each experience you add to the resume, you should have 2 to 6 bullet points. This also gets at that easily scannable piece. So when a person's looking at your resume, the human brain most likely can digest up to about 6 bullet points, and then before moving on to the next experience. Also, if you have something on your resume and you only have 1 bullet point underneath of it, I would encourage you to think about why that experience is on the resume and what it's really telling the employer about you. When we're writing bullet points on the resume, we're going to use an action verb task impact outline, and I'm going to get into that a little bit later. Within each section of your resume, the experiences you have listed should be in reverse chronological order, which means your most recent experience is at the top of that section, and then your experiences will go back in time. Oh, and this is that kind of like zoomed out picture of a resume I was talking about. So as you can see here, we're looking at this student. Education is at the top. We look at clinicals. They have had a few work experiences, some leadership activities, and then a skills section at the bottom. So it's very nicely organized. There's no crazy fonts or like pictures or anything like that. And you can kind of see the way that they use like bold and italics, where they've worked in the roles that they've had, just quickly scanning. All right. So I'm actually going to stop there. And when you pick up the next video, we are going to go over an overview of common sections of the resume. So I will see you then.